Hello friends. Today I am going to talk about a topic which is a very hot topic in English, that is how to learn to speak English. There are many classes everywhere where students are made to speak English or made to learn to speak English. It is very surprising that students go there and after some time, maybe after 2-3 months, they come back and still they have no knowledge of English. A few years ago, a student of mine has gone to Chandigarh and he has deposited around 75,000 rupees to learn to speak English. And when he came back, I could make out that he was not able to speak English well. So I asked him, how come you spend so much of money in learning to speak English? He told me that he was given some notes and that's how he was treated. I was about to laugh to hear him because English speaking is something that can never be learnt by notes. It is not something which you have to cram. Language learning is a skill. It has to be practiced. There are certain things which you must do if you wish to learn to speak English correctly. When a child learns to speak English, he doesn't read any books or he doesn't even know how to read a book. But surprisingly enough, the child imbibes whatever is talked around him. What does it mean? That before writing, he could speak. It means that learning any language is a skill that you have to imbibe. Whatever language is spoken around you is the language of your thoughts. It can be Hindi, English, Sanskrit or Punjabi. The problem with most of the students is that English is not their thinking language because it is not spoken in their houses or at their homes. Their parents speak Hindi or Haryanvi or maybe Punjabi. There is nothing wrong in learning these languages, but the problem comes with English. They have to speak English, they have to learn English because English is a global language. This thing has to be understood that it is a skill that has to be cultivated. There are certain tips which if you follow, you can learn to speak English in a correct manner. Let's start with a thought that of a child. The child learns to speak English because it is spoken around. So, you must create an atmosphere around you in which English language is spoken. How can we do that? When our parents are speaking in Hindi or in Haryanvi, you can listen to English channels like English news or any other English listening. It will help you certainly, but nothing can be done in a day. Rome was not built in a day. It's a regular practice that has to be done every day for almost half an hour or 1 hour. A few years ago, I have done this practice on many students and they were able to speak English fluently. First of all, you must listen to good English around you. Listen to the news or any other medium which you find helpful. There may be many words which you don't understand, so you have to make a notebook in which you can write the new words as well as their meanings. So listening is the first secret. And what is the second secret? Second secret is reading. You must read and read. The problem with today's students is that they don't like to read. They don't even like to read their texts which are prescribed to them, so what to talk of reading other things. But if you wish to learn to speak English, you must do reading practice every day. You must make it a habit to read the newspaper. Start with the headlines first. Read the headlines of an English newspaper daily in a loud manner. Let people laugh around you. Just worry about your own self. Read the newspaper, its headlines loudly, and gradually you will find it very interesting. When you start doing it for a few days, you might like it doing it again and again. Then read the news, the basic news. It will generate in your mind some curiosity related to the language. And what is the third thing? Writing. Reading and writing always help. So start writing about yourself. You can start writing with the simple sentences of your introduction, like my name is so and so, I read in this class, this is my mother's name, this is my father's name, these are my friends. So start writing. Your mind will start thinking in the language. And what other things you can do to improve your language speaking skills? You must start speaking. Howsoever wrong you are speaking, you must not worry about the right or wrong in the very beginning. Have confidence in yourself. Whatever you are speaking, speak in front of the mirror. Observe yourself daily. Make it a practice to speak English daily. Start from one sentence, two sentence, three sentence, or maybe gradually you can increase the number of sentences. These are some practices. If you continue to do these practices on day-to-day basis, your English certainly is going to improve. So start from today. Make a diary. Write in the diary what have you listened today, like the news of today. Make a column of the news of today. Then what reading did you do today? The headlines part, or maybe some book you can start of your 10th class, of the 8th class. You will find it very interesting to reread the books which you have read earlier. Then writing. Make a writing part, just as I told. Write your introduction, or write about your family members, or write about the day-to-day things that happen to you. What is the purpose of doing all these things? The purpose of all these things is to suggest to your mind that English is not an alien language, that you can think in English. You have to make the language. It could be any language. In case you wish to learn French or any other language, you have to make it your thinking language. Only when the mind will think in this language, you will be able to communicate. And communication is the skill. Many students say that when it comes to writing, we can write, but when it comes to speaking, when we cannot speak. So what is the secret of speaking well? You have to make your mind think that yes, you can speak. As earlier I told you, don't worry about making mistakes in the beginning. Nobody is going to record you because you are a student, but as you will grow higher in this field, you will realize that gradually your language is becoming better. As I told you that Rome was not built in a day. You have to do these practices on day-to-day basis for 1, 2, 3, or maybe 4 or 6 months. Then you will realize on your own that yes, you have learned to speak English very well. So reading, writing, listening, observing and practicing. Don't mind to practice words. Make a diary. As I told you, every day you must write some words, some new words and their meaning. In order to learn any language, we have to love that language. I remember as a student, whenever we used to read any writer in our MA classes, we used to be so impressed by that writer that if we have Hemingway, for example, we have a Farewell to Arms by Hemingway, but you're so much impressed by Hemingway and his writing that I bought all his novels and read at that time. So this kind of habit is required if you wish to learn any language. I hope you will find these tips very interesting and useful. Practice, practice and practice. It's a skill. You cannot learn to speak any language, it could be English or Sanskrit or Hindi, overnight. Practice these habits daily and you will find that your language is improving. Thank you.